guys, so today I have my winter Popsugar box to unbox with you guys, and I think this is the heaviest subscription box I've ever held in my entire life. Like, this thing has some girth to it. So basically, Popsugar is a quarterly subscription box. It's comparable to Fabfitfun. I think it's $75 a quarter. In it, you get lifestyle stuff, and I'm very excited to see what's inside of this box because my last Popsugar box honestly wasn't great. It was my very first Popsugar box, and it sucked. The only good thing about that box was like the pair of free sunglasses that I got with that box. So I'm hoping that the winter box is absolutely amazing and makes me fall in love with the Popsugar subscription box. So I have gone ahead and just opened it up, and it's very, very heavy. I can't wait to see what's inside of this box. So the first thing that I have pulled out of my Popsugar box is this white throw, and honestly, I'm so glad that it's not another scarf because honestly, I could like, I don't know. Blankets are definitely a necessity. Ooh, it's a very fuzzy blanket. We can see all the dust. But this is so cute. It's actually really big. Like, it's not like massive. It's not gonna swallow a whole child. But it's big enough to wrap my body in, and that I'm so excited about. So I really love the fringe to this blanket. It's not super thick, but it's not gonna like be too thin where you can't stay warm. It's got a nice weight to it. I really love the fringe. I love fringe so much, but I love the fringe on the like the edges of the blanket. It doesn't go all the way around. The longer side of the blanket doesn't have any fringe, but then the like entire like top half of the blanket has this. I'm trying to like get a good angle to show you guys. I'm sorry I'm messing with it so much, but like the top part of the blanket has this like, I don't know if it's still called fringe, but basically, here's what the blanket looks like, if that makes any sense. It's this really pretty cream color. This is what I imagined when I thought about Popsugar. Like, when I think about a lifestyle box that's, like, meant for women, I think of, like, getting blankets and, like, stuff that, like, makes you feel like you can decorate and, like, gives you pieces that, like, complement your lifestyle without being, like, knickknacks. They're useful, but they're cute. So this blanket is definitely very cute. Next thing that I am pulling out is this desktop calendar from Kate Spade, New York. That is so fancy. I can't wait to open it up because I see gold polka dots, and that honestly like is so freaking cute. Total value for that Kate Spade calendar was $20. The next thing that I am pulling out is in this velvet bag, and it's from Melinda Maria, and I'm hoping it's a piece of jewelry because that would honestly make my day so much. Oh my gosh, we've got a piece of silver jewelry in here. I don't know if this is a necklace or a bracelet yet. I'm gonna pull out, and this is a necklace. Oh my gosh, it's really pretty. Hold on, I've gotta like balance the box because I'm trying to keep the box on my lap, but look how pretty this necklace is. Oh my goodness. Okay, I love silver. I know that when you fill out your profile, I think, or when you go and you can customize it, I can't remember off the top of my head, but you get to pick what color jewelry you like, and I love silver so much more than I like gold. This is long. I really like that it's not a choker. It's kind of hitting like right like where the top of my bra band, like the bottom part of my bra band, if that makes sense. So this is actually a really long necklace, and it's so pretty. Like, it's nice and simple. It's nothing too bold and nothing too like out there. It's a nice like classy silver necklace. I love how shiny it is. A Popsugar book. It says that this suggested retail value for the necklace is $98. And it says metallic color may vary based on preferences selected. But look how the model's wearing it. I don't know. I like it wearing it long, but I think I would totally have to try wrapping it around my neck like this because this is also a really pretty look. I also received these Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks in my winter Popsugar box. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them in here. So you literally have like almost a week's worth of gold eye masks to use. So that's really nice. I don't personally use these, but I have somebody in my life who honestly loves these so much. So I think this will make a really great Christmas gift. And that's something that I really like about getting these like quarterly subscription boxes in the winter. Because if there's anything in here that you aren't really loving for yourself, they make great Christmas gifts and you didn't have to. The retail value for this Wonder Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask is $25. And look at this. Look at this. Okay, so this is from Apothecary Tobacco Blossom Scented Candle. I am literally so excited about this. First of all, this is heavy. Honestly, this is like, I could like, I don't know, I could throw this and it would cause some it would break a window. This is a very, very heavy candle. Oh my gosh. I love this. Okay. So first of all, I love the scent of it. It's so like, I get that vanilla, but then I kind of get that a little bit of bitterness, but not like a bad bitter from the tobacco. But I love the packaging of the candle. It's very like just plain. It's not too distracting. It's not out there. Honestly, I'm just like imagining my room with like that throw and this candle and the Kate Spade calendar like in a little desktop area. That's honestly so freaking cute. Okay, so Popsugar says that the total value for this candle is $36. That is literally so crazy. But I really like how like, okay, $36, $118 blanket. Like we're getting actually a really good value out of this box, but I really, I know I already said this, but I really like the packaging of this candle. It's really cute. Definitely, I pick up the tobacco and I pick up the vanilla, but I don't pick up anything else out of this candle. Maybe it'll smell different when it's burnt. I am scared of candles. I am scared of burning my house down, but I might have to try this out. I might have to cave and I might have to try this out because it's really cute decor and I actually like the scent of this candle, which is a big deal because I don't usually like when other people pick out scents for me. I'm now pulling out a freaking hardback book from Reese Witherspoon called Whiskey in a Teacup. What growing up in the South taught me about love, life, and baking biscuits. I hope this has some recipes in it because I don't know. I have never gotten a hardback book like this. Is a freaking big book. I love how bright it is. Like it's so feminine and fun, and I'm loving this. Like again, just as decor. I don't know what this has in it. Like I hope it has some recipes because that would be so freaking fun. But again, love the bright coloring. So let's just flip through for a second. It's got cheddar biscuits recipe. It's got a guitar. Oh, that's so pretty. That's a really pretty picture. What else does it have in it? Dolly Parton, Southern icon. Heck yes. Okay, what else do we have? Pulled pork sliders with bourbon, barbecue sauce, and pickled red onions. So it's got a little bit of everything in here. Oh my God. Baked brie. Like this is something, okay. This is something when I first saw it in the Popsugar like sneak peeks, I was like, not really, like that's not my cup of tea. And I wouldn't say that I'm like flipping out about this book, like I'm not super pumped about it, but I do think it's very creative. I think it's very fun, and I love how it has recipes in it because I feel like I don't know, something that my mom always talked about was having like recipe books and cookbooks from her mom, and now that I kind of have my own, I don't know, like it's something that I can rely on. I gotta like pass down to my friends or anything like that. Like, oh my God, hoe cakes. Hoe cakes, do we see this? I don't know. I'm excited about it. Like I wasn't, when I first saw the sneak peek, I was like, ugh. But now that I have it in my hands, I am really excited to see what this has in it. This is the total value for that hardback book is $35. The next thing that I'm pulling out is from Winky Lux, which is a brand that I have received before, and I really do enjoy their eyeshadow palettes. And I have to say, I am so pumped for this one because the packaging is so freaking cute. And I saw the sneak peeks for this one. I was like, oh my gosh, I have to get my hands on this. So it's textured glitter. It's pink and silver glitter, but we open it up and it's called Sugar Kitten Palette, and I cannot wait to see what that purple has in store for me. I'm just gonna swatch that purple real quick. The palette doesn't really have a scent, but oh my gosh, it's a really, I'm like, I don't even know where I'm trying to aim, but that's a really pretty purple. It's not super, like, it doesn't have like a whole bunch of pigment to it. Just swatching it again, it's kind of very like patchy in the pigment, but I don't hate it. It's something that I can work with, definitely. I've received worse palettes for my Boxycharm box, but it's a really pretty purple. Let me know if you guys want to see a makeup tutorial with this. I'm gonna get into doing makeup tutorials again on my channel, and I'm really excited to do that. But this is a very pretty palette. Oh, I'll test out this one too. That's a very pretty color. I'm gonna swatch this in the back of my hand because I freaking missed last time. That's a lot better. It's not splotchy like the purple was, but this is really pretty. It's really nice to see that we got a little bit of everything in this box. There is still more, but technically the part that I'm getting into next is the free bonuses that come with the Popsugar box. So everything that you like actually paid for that was like part of the like curated part of the box was the throw, the candle, the necklace, the desktop calendar, the book, and the eyeshadow palette from Winky Lux. Everything else, there's a couple more things inside this box, but they're considered free bonuses. So it says, P.S. There's more. Open this flap to reveal this month's special extras. These items are bonus free gifts for you to try in addition to the curated contents of this box. I also forgot to tell you the retail value for the Winky Lux palette. The Winky Lux Sugar Kitten palette suggested retail value is $25. So the next thing that I'm pulling out is from is from Bausch & Lomb Lumify, I think they're red eye drops, which honestly, we don't use heat. We use a fireplace to heat up our house. And I cannot tell you, like, I'm sick right now, so I'm like all congested, but like also just like the dust from like the wood and the ash and everything, it gets to me. So like my eyes are so watery and so irritated. They're probably looking a little red. So this is not something that I ever would have been like, oh yes, send me in a subscription box, but it's something that I need. Didn't know I wanted it, but I needed it. Next thing that I'm pulling out is from Allure Open Your Senses Jet Lag Travel Support Roll-On. How nice was that of them to think of all of the people traveling for like the holidays and Christmas this year, and they sent you this. Oh my gosh, that's so nice. I hope it smells good. Oh my goodness. It's peppermint. Oh my gosh, I could totally use this for my migraines. Like having a roll-on version, sometimes when my migraines get like, they're starting, they're not really bad. It's something kind of do to kind of get ahead of the game. I'll put peppermint oil in the back of my head to kind of like just open up all of my sinuses and relax the muscles in the back of my neck. I use peppermint oil, but I've never had a roll-on version of this. And having a roll-on version, I can just throw this in my purse and go. So yes, this is another thing I didn't know I needed, but I wanted it. The last thing in my Popsugar box is this Beautiful Belle roll-on perfume from Estee Lauder. Oh my goodness gracious. So here we have it. It's in a glass bottle, and I don't know if you guys will be able to read it, but it says Beautiful Belle. And forgive me if I'm having some problems with the filming quality. I'm trying a new setup and I'm filming with a different camera, so I really hope that this turns out as well as I want it to. But I love the scent of this perfume. Like this, I always have problems with subscription boxes sending me perfumes that like I either hate or they just don't work with me. And this freaking, like, when you first put it on, it doesn't have that strong of a smell, but like the more that it mixes with my body chemistry, it freaking is like full on perfume, and it's a gorgeous, gorgeous scent. I absolutely love it so much. So I'm like so impressed with Popsugar for sending me this stuff. That is everything that I got in my winter Popsugar box, and this box is so much better than the fall box that I got. Like, I am so pumped about this box. It actually won me over. Like, I'm really, really happy with this box. I can't wait to hear what you guys think in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.